Hey everybody, this is Lisa with your kick-ass news flash of what's up in American Eagle. We got a triple whammy weekend planned for you. That's right. What's it starting off with? It is the end of Rolling Sturgis. Who is gonna win this baby? Woo! Who's gonna win that set of wristbands to stay at the Pappy Hoyle campground? Could it be you? You need to be here this Saturday at American Eagle Harley-Davidson to find out. So what you need to do is you need to come see me. You're gonna scan this QR code right there. And we are gonna hook you up to, first and foremost, to win that chance to win that 22 Road Glide Special. Or that trip to Sturgis. And then our local giveaway is going to be this kick-ass guitar and a set of wristbands to stay at the Pappy Hoyle campground. Little tidbit. Did you know that they have an Olympic-sized pool, which by chance we are going to be having a kick-ass cool pool party there, which I will tell you about in a little bit. They have the largest stage in South Dakota. Did you know that? Jackal's going to be playing there, so your asses better be there. I mean, come on. They are set up right there. They're going to have demo trucks going on, and they are the official campground of the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally and more. Hog check-in, this is a place to be. So you need to be here this Saturday to be able to win that set of wristbands to stay at the Pappy Hoyle campground. Triple Lindy's gonna be here. They're gonna be rocking the stage from noon to 3, so be ready and be prepared because Randy James and the guys are going to be having a kick-ass Saturday. We've got Crown Catering Texas gonna be here filling your bellies. We have Kona Ice is going to be making sure that you stay cool with their shaved ice. And there's even more. But take a second and let me tell you about that. It is Christmas in July. That is right. Toys for Tots are going to be here this weekend doing a toy drive. So as you're on your way over here to see if you're one of those lucky winners to go to Sturgis, don't forget to bring an unwrapped toy to donate to Toys for Tots. And the final whammy of this weekend, it is the 3rd annual Operation Rucksack. That is CVMA 23-1 and some surrounding chapters are going to be here collecting for our veterans. So get your rucksacks, get all your stuff. I did a little shopping Saturday. Anything that you can donate that can be used for them. There will be a QR code that if you are a shopper and would prefer to shop on Amazon, you scan that QR code right here. It's going to show you everything that they need, and you can literally order it online and have it shipped right to CVMA 23-1 so they can get all these rucksacks together and do the delivery of them on the 23rd. So they're going to be here this Saturday doing collections. They're going to be here next Saturday doing collections, and the following Saturday is going to be the day they pick up everything and they're going to go do their deliveries. So you can't make it here on Saturday. Donate through the QR code here. We rent Harleys. That is freaking right. We rent Harleys. So if you are looking for a bike to take to Sturgis this year, reserve it now because they're going to be going fast. And guess what? We are hosting another kick-ass pool party at the Pappy Hoyle campground during the week of Sturgis, which is going to be on Thursday, August 11th. So if you are there, make sure you stop at CBT and show up with one of our challenge coins. We have 2 different ones to choose from. You show up to our pool party that is from noon to 3 o'clock at the Pappy Hoyle campground. Show up with one of these. You are going to get an autographed bottle of the Jesse James bourbon from the one and only Jesse James Dupree. Come on out and join us. When you're here Saturday, get your challenge coins if you're going to Sturgis, or you can order them online. Just make sure you have one of these babies. So you have Sturgis giveaway, Toys for Tots, Operation Rucksack, bike rentals, challenge coins, and we will see you in Sturgis. Can't get any better than that. It all starts this Saturday at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. We will see you then.